Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card into your Apple ID balance. This converts the physical or emailed code into spendable Apple funds. Once done, check Settings or the App Store to confirm the exact dollar amount. Make sure the balance is available for Apple Pay or Apple Cash purchases because you will need a payment method that third-party sellers accept. Save the card, image, and receipt. They help if a later seller questions the code or amount. Next, use your Apple balance via Apple Pay or Apple Cash at a reputable gift card reseller that sells Amazon e-gift cards. This step turns Apple funds into an Amazon code. Because Amazon does not accept Apple Pay directly, these resellers act as intermediaries. Make sure you pick the correct denomination and review any service fees before confirming. After payment, watch for the e-gift code by email or on the reseller site, and save that message. Finally, paste the Amazon e-gift code into Amazon's Redeem Gift Card section and confirm the dollar credit appears in your account before checkout. If you plan to buy immediately, ensure the balance covers taxes or partial payments. Otherwise, add another payment method. If the code is rejected, first recheck the email and copy/paste accuracy, then compare the reseller receipt with your Apple transaction. If discrepancies remain, contact the reseller's support and keep the Apple transaction details handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.